guys, what's up? It's Derek Berry, also known as Epix Gaming. How's it going, guys? We're just gonna be making a vlog right now. My phone's getting wet. Oh god! We gotta go! We gotta go! We gotta go! 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 Go!
Can we drop them off? Everybody get in! It's raining! Let me show you guys. No, get it! I'm doing something! You know, go shit in the half, Brianna! My world doesn't revolve around you! Shut the door, dipshit!
Are you okay with it?
Can you see that somebody's behind me? Can you see that somebody's behind me? Well, shit happens.
I've fallen and I can't get up. Oh. Hey guys, what's up? I'm in her car. She's pretty cool. I don't know. Is she in the shot? Are you in the shot? So today I just have another vlog in front of my school. Hashtag rainy. Hashtag hashtag screw sunshine. Yeah. That's the thing now. The world outside me, it's so depressing. Hey, editing Derek,
Got her the keys to her house.
remind me to put in some sad music when that happens. Yeah, sad music.
Brianna, you have, now that I got you have this weekend that you're going away to sleep at a mall.
You're sleeping at a mall?
You're getting Girl Scouts. Woo! Brianna,
Again?
you're not listening to me. Yeah. Next Friday you got the circus.
Yes.
The following Friday, is that Friday? Yeah. The following Friday. Oh shit. I'm trying to remember. Anyways, then you're going to the zoo. To the sleepover at the zoo.
Sorry if the
And
camera.
then, you're sleeping over at the zoo on the 30th
Okay.
of April.
What if it rains?
You guys,
Be at the zoo.
sorry.
You'll be sleeping with the many animals.
Sorry.
I think you should really get back into Girl Scouts there. Can't
No,
tell.
that's all Girl Scout stuff that I'm doing. Man, I want to.
Guys, sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm in a car.
I want to go back in, but my mom is. There's so many things going on right now.
Cool.
Since what happened.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
I barely ever see you with the pony pin on.
Hey guys, leave in the comments below.
Put it this way, do you like cheerleading better than Girl Scouts?
I like both of them.
Unfortunately, you probably can't do both because, you know, it's too expensive.
And yeah. So guys, comment down below what you think my grade is. Fifth grade.
What grade did you get? Guess what grade he got on his report. On his planner report.
Are you serious? I was standing here. You know what? Say they took this.
I got an A+. I got an A+.
Look at the little boy over there.
I got an A+ on my report. Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what?
A+.
I'll be right back when all this screaming is over.
Minecraft.
Hey guys, I'm back. The screaming is over, I'm hoping.
Videotaping himself.
I'm videotaping.
Getting this. Have to go into
I don't think she approves of me videotaping.
No, she doesn't. You are not approved.
Are you okay with your face being on YouTube?
This
My face being on
daylight
the-
sensor.
On YouTube.
The daylight sensor right
Don't
there.
like my face on YouTube. Don't
Okay.
like my face at all.
Okay.
Pictures.
Don't like my face either. Don't put my face.
You already put your own face in.
Whatever.
All right, so this poor guy. Oh, good, he's not coming here. Okay,
The
anyway.
daylight sensor, you have to leave it there.
Go ahead.
Chantel,
We have to go up the
wait.
next door.
because this car's coming. All right, after this, you may go.
Going through. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Eric, want to open the door?
Oh. Oh.
Liana.
Really?
I'm gonna videotape my house. Bye.
Liana, look at this.
Is that how you?
Liana.
Wait. Bye, guys. Even though I'm not even leaving. I'm leaving you guys, though. Bye.
Wait, go.
Pause. Oh my god. Bye, guys.